What's up, guys? Oh my God, I'm losing it right now. I'm so is she.
Want to go ride the car?
So, like every guy my age, I've wanted a DeLorean. Hey, I'm making a video here. I've wanted a DeLorean since I was like 9 years old. I don't know, not even 9 years old. How old was I in 1985? Wanted one my whole life. One of those cars that's like, you know, always in the back of your mind. One day maybe you'll come across one. I did actually come across one like 25, 28 years ago, and I looked at it with my dad. And for whatever reason, the last couple of weeks, I got a fire under my ass and I wanted one. I watched the movie Framing John DeLorean, and then I remembered all the things about the car that I liked and that I'd always wanted that one. Even if I only had it for a little while, I just wanted to have one and experience that car. So I put out on Facebook, hey, does anyone know where there's a DeLorean for sale? I looked all over Google, and they're all, you know, they're kind of going up in value right now, so they're all over the place, and there's only a handful of them. There's only supposedly like 6,000 of them left, so there's not that many for sale, and they're all expensive. So my childhood friend messaged me and said, hey, I have one, and shot me a number that was crazy. And I still didn't have all the money for it right now anyways, but I wanted to at least look at the car and see if I liked it. Well, turns out this car is the exact same car I looked at with my dad all those years ago, the same exact one. And my buddy offered to float me to get it. So we're going to look at it right now. We're going to get the trailer. I'm like losing my mind right now. Like I couldn't sleep last night just to look at the car. So we're hooking the trailer up, we're heading out of here, and we're going back in time. This is heavy. All right, pulling into Chris's house, gonna pick him up, and then we're heading straight down to get the car. Down here.
Win. Awesome.
What's the story with it? Billy told me a little bit.
I bought this for my son 20 years ago, 18 years ago, you know? And the guy before me used to drive it to work, and who the fuck should have told me to put out of the lot, you know? I mean, it's been sitting for a long time, but there's a lot of new stuff into it. I got it all listed what I put in it, you know?
When's the last time it ran?
I don't know, maybe 2-3 years top.
How did it run when it ran?
I've never seen one of these before, like in person. I'm excited to see what's under the hood.
Nothing here. Nothing.
The trunk.
I'm excited to see how it looks.
Yeah, that rear wheel and back, ever since it had the tires put on, they couldn't seal that one good. You know, every week or so, you gotta add some more on, you know? More on. That's what they brought it back 3 times.
Yeah.
That's the best they could do.
I can't tell you, man. I've wanted one of these things since.
Yeah, right in the front. You have to keep the floor open.
Gotta be careful around it. Everything wants to bump you on the head. I'm too tall for going back to the future, apparently.
Oh, John DeLorean was 6'4".
Was he?
Yeah.
What are you doing, John?
The car's supposed to be like deliberately designed to have good headroom.
Oh, yeah, I guess the seat is super low, huh?
Yeah, it's got like this bucket in here.
Yeah.
You're not negotiable. You're not coming close to it. You can take it today. You have the receipts for the clutch and everything and all.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, I'll take it.
All right.
So you make fresh fuel in a battery, and this thing should start.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
All right. I'm not sure what the best way to get out of here is.
Where's up? We'll push it out onto the street, then we'll winch it up on your trailer.
Okay. We got it. We're heading back with the girl now. She's on the trailer. Thank you, buddy. This is awesome.
No problem.
I wanted him to come with me so bad, but he was busy, and he was able to get away for a little while. So I'm excited.
I like watching dreams come true.
Yes. Hey, Chris tried to buy the other one, but the guy didn't want to sell it. We're gonna have to find Chris a DeLorean now.
You can go back in time and buy this one again. Is that mess up the timeline?
It would probably disappear. Oh man! So heading back to the shop. It hasn't run in a while, so I got to put a battery in it, and we got to change the fuel and things like that. Go through the car, see if we can get it running. Hopefully today. So stay tuned. It wins! Yes! So there she is. I actually was so excited when we got back with the car that I completely forgot to make a follow-up video. So this video is like 2 days. I think 2 days ago. Yeah. We were like, I was over the moon to have the thing here, and I forgot all about it. Anyway, here she is, as you can see. Washed it all off, cleaned the interior out. It needs a fuel pump. I ordered the fuel pump, so hopefully we'll have this thing on the road shortly. 32,000 miles. Body doesn't have any dents on it. Yeah, I still don't believe it's actually my car. Like I have to like look outside and check on it. Like I kept opening the door out of my office yesterday, and I'm like, it's still there. It didn't go back in time yet. No, we are gonna go back in time. Yeah, there she is. The car is out here. People are going crazy driving by, looking at the thing, like oh my god. Like
everyone wants to sit in it for some reason.
Yeah. Apparently that's the thing with DeLoreans. Everybody not only wants to sit in it, but they just do sit in it. So we have it sitting out here with the doors open if people are just sitting in the car. Like,
sit in the car. No.
Yeah. I still can't believe this thing is sitting here. Honest to God, like my whole life I waited for that car to be around it, and it blows my mind that it's sitting right behind me. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. There was way too much footage for us to make one long video, so I'm just gonna split it up into 2 parts. So this will be part 1, and then I will follow up with part 2 once we get the fuel pump in and everything. The car does run good. It runs off starting fluid. It runs off, external fuel pump, and it runs nice and smooth. I just can't drive it because the fuel pump hasn't gotten here yet, and the boot that goes around the fuel pump was really deteriorated, and it's not safe to put the fuel pump in with that deteriorated boot. So now I have to wait for the boot to get here before I can do that. But the car does fire right up once it gets fuel, and it does run smoothly. So in part 2, we'll start going through the car, cleaning the interior up a little bit. We'll be driving it, and we'll video that. So thanks for watching this one, and stay tuned for the next one. I'll see you guys next time.